Welcome back to Review One Box. In today's video we are going to talk about the all-new mystery sedan, which has been teased by the Cadillac. So before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to enable notification alert for the upcoming videos. You can also find us on Facebook and Instagram by using our official handle at Review One Box. Links are also provided in the description below. Cadillac is developing a new sedan, which has been spotted during a new promotional video. In this video, the Wall Street Journal walks through the GM Warren Tech Center to check out the facility's latest updates. In the background, the video captures several design teams hard at work refining the styling of several upcoming GM models. One of them appears to be a sedan that could very likely be a next-generation CT5 or CT5 EV. Although the shot of this particular model is quite brief, there are a few interesting things to point out. First and foremost, it's the only sedan body style spotted amongst the many models under development at the Tech Center, at least among those seen in the video. Secondly, the front end shows a new look that includes a few design elements from the refreshed 2025 Cadillac CT5, including angular styling elements in the front bumper, tall, vertically oriented lighting elements in the corners of the fascia, and slim upper lighting elements. Also notable is the grille treatment, which appears to be similar to that of Cadillac's current EV lineup, such as the new 2025 Cadillac Optiq. This grille incorporates curving lines in a centrally placed badge, as well as a sweeping lower styling element. Although it's unclear, this grille design could be an indication that this mystery sedan is a new EV model, possibly replacing the Cadillac CT5 sometime in the future. If it is a new CT5 EV, it will likely launch with a new name that follows Cadillac's IQ naming convention. Cadillac has changed course in its electrification plans and now promises to offer customers the luxury of choice when it comes to choosing between either an electric or internal combustion engine-based product. Stay tuned to our channel for more information regarding vehicles. As always, thanks for watching. Like, comment and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in the next video.